This is my marinated bulgogi. I marinated it separately from the onions. I just want to kind of add it when I'm ready to grill to keep my onions fresh. So put that in there. It smells so good. Don't they look so tasty? I also have my bun in this little steamer to keep them nice and warm on very, very low heat. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my mukbang. Today I'm back with some bulgogi and I'm going to eat it with the hot dog buns. I kept it in a little warmer so they're nice and soft, and I put some lettuce for each, and I'm going to add the finished bulgogi inside and top it up with some mayo and extra scallions or green onions, and on the side I have onion rings. Oh, I totally forgot this is horseradish and it's spicy, but it's so good with this. I don't know what brand this was. It's so good. Okay. So, have the bun and lettuce, like so, and then I'm going to just top it off. Oh my god, it looks so good. So, I tried to cut the bulgogi as I was cooking to smaller pieces, so that because I felt like if they were too big, it'll fall out of the bun too easily and too fast. No, I don't want that. So, it's just a lot. Okay, this, and since I love green onions, I want to add more on top like that. This one. Oh, this lettuce is really big, but it'll do. And then add it like that. So excited. My bulgogi turned out a little too sweet. Or sweeter than I hoped it to be. But it's okay. So it looks like that. More green onions. If you want to add like mustard or horseradish or anything else on as a topping or dressing, I think you should go for it. I think it's really hard to find, even sriracha or something like that. I think it's hard to find a sauce that won't go with it, to be honest. But and I wanted to add jalapeno, but I forgot when I was grocery shopping. Anyways, I want to add the mayo. You don't have to add as much as I am, but I just think mayo and bulgogi goes really well together. So this bulgogi is, okay. Yeah. I think you could even try to spread the mayo on the bun. I think instead of the regular mayo, if you can find wasabi mayo or sriracha mayo, might be good. But I think I'm gonna try to add. I'm almost done with the sriracha bottle. Just going to add a little bit of sriracha, like this. Okay, maybe not sriracha. It's okay, but it's not like the best. Maybe I'll just do very little bit of sriracha, like that much, instead of okay. You could even try making like a bulgogi burrito with some cheese. Oh, sounds so good. Bulgogi usually tastes better if you like kind of have a little bit of actual like charcoal or like fire, like a little burn to it. So if you can grill it outside on your grill, if not, if you have a torch, I torched it a little bit. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed my no talking, just eating mukbang. If you guys did, let me know, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!